Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you know which settings exist. Once done, get the remote, a phone, and your router login. These are essential. Next, decide whether to block YouTube at the router, change DNS, or disable the app on the TV because each method has different reach and permanence. You focus on the quickest method first, router-level blocking for whole network control, and local app restrictions if only the TV must be constrained. You log into your router admin page and locate parental controls or URL filters, then add YouTube, COM and ITIMG. COM to the blacklist so both site and media files are blocked. If you prefer DNS, change the TV or router DNS to a blocklist provider or a custom resolver that filters YouTube domains. This prevents name resolution. Meanwhile, on the My TV go to Apps, select YouTube and disable or uninstall updates to reduce functionality. Make sure to save and reboot the router and TV after changes. You finish by restarting both the My TV and router, then clearing the YouTube app cache and data so stored connections are removed. Once done, test playback on the TV and another device to confirm the block, and try an incognito browser to rule out cached sessions. If YouTube remains accessible, check for VPNs or smart DNS active on the TV, verify DNS propagation time, and re-examine router URL rules for typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.